So let's close that. We've done pricing. I've shown you that and shown you that. So let's go through the back end and have a look at some of the tabs. Let me just have a quick walk through the back end. So when you sign in, you'll see your tickets. You'll see open tickets, overdue tickets. Obviously, this is a trial account. There isn't a lot of tickets in the system. So that's where all your tickets are going to live. And you can filter to open tickets. You can create your own filters. Missed chats. Anybody missed a chat? Closed tickets. You want to look for old tickets. Or you're really going to look at open tickets, aren't you? And sometimes what you needed to check is spam tickets. Sometimes some tickets live in spam that you need to, like any spam folder, you want to put a process in place to keep checking that spam. But it will try and tag when people are not real or they've asked spam questions. Then there's your knowledge base. This is where you're going to build your articles. This is where you're going to build your comments and map out knowledge base articles where you're hoping that it might relieve a little bit of pressure on your support desk by being able to give people the answers to questions before they actually fill out a ticket into it. So you can see you can build out different knowledge bases for different products you've got or different brands, and say this is in that section, that's in that section. Customer section, anything with information on customers, you can sync it to your Zoho CRM if you choose to. A lot of people do, because obviously there's cross-related information. Any tasks, so obviously when a new ticket comes in, you might have to add a task to respond to ticket or research information and get back to them. General task management of running any desk. Reporting, various reports on how many people, how many tickets, how many are on schedule, how many have been done. You're going to have lots of different reports to say tickets by contact, tickets on hold, tickets overdue. Obviously, I don't have a lot of information in ticket wise. I would have shown you in mine, but I don't want to share people's email addresses and stuff like that. The community is the forum, where you set up the forum areas of your support desk, your web page, where people can come in and talk and actively ask questions and get answers by whether it's your community or just your help desk people helping them out. So the social tab is for connecting to social media networks and being able to do support. My brain's just gone, but support requests via social media. So if someone sends a Facebook Messenger or writes on your wall, your support desk agents will be able to reply to them without the need to log into your Zoho, into your Facebook or your Twitter or something like that. Did I explain that very well, did I? Chat, any live chat on the website. If people are, come on and you want to do live chat, then you can do that as well. Obviously up here the search, you can quickly add things, add a ticket even. Any notifications will come up. Obviously setup, there's a lot of things to do in the setup that you can change. And then down here you're going to have chats where your agents can talk to each other. While they're trying to serve a ticket, they might be able to say, hey, what's happening with that? But we'll go through it. Contact information. And then some other tabs down at the bottom with which we'll go through as we get through it. So that was just a quick flyby of all the tabs.